Hey, you got a visitor, Tsukuyomi.
I'm aware, Dark Shadow. I am aware. Hey there. What brings you to my room? I see. It's storming outside. I understand that. Did you come seeking shelter, or...
I think they want to just chill with us for the night, Tsukuyomi.
Yeah, I guess Dark Shadow. Is Dark Shadow correct? Oh, so you do wish to spend the night with us. Fair enough. Very well. Let's see. Here. Just sit on the bed, and, I'll go and get you some refreshments from the kitchen, okay? Just sit here, stay put.
Hey, if you want, I can just sit here with them, Tsukuyomi. What do you say?
Do you mind if Dark Shadow accompanies you for a while I go and get you some refreshments? Okay. Dark Shadow, stay here. Do not scare them, nor annoy them. I'm going to go downstairs and get them a drink and some snacks, okay?
You got it, boss.
I will return soon.
So hey there. Tsukuyomi says that you're a really nice person, and a really great friend of his. Huh? Hey, you look really nervous. There's no need to be. It's just a little thunder and lightning, and rain, and wind, and a lot of booming sounds. But, it's okay. Don't worry. Me and Tsukuyomi will protect you, okay? There's nothing to worry about. We're your friends, okay? Always have been, always will be. Now then, why don't you just relax? Oh yeah. Tsukuyomi really likes reading this book. It's, manga, I think it is? I don't know. You might like it. Check it out. He's even working on his own a little bit, with the help of that green friend of his. But, yeah. I think it would be kind of nice. Oh, here it comes.
Alright, I'm back. I got some water, and I've got some, I made a sandwich. As well as, got in a few sodas and, chips as well.
Hey, Tsukuyomi, you came prepared for the night, didn't you?
Dark Shadow, I know, but still. Anyway, these are for you. Please, eat these and relax, alright? Now then, if you want, where did you get that from?
Oh, I handed it to them, Tsukuyomi.
Dark Shadow, what have I told you about going in my personal belongings without permission?
I'm sorry, Tsukuyomi, but they really wanted to see it. Not to mention, it's calming them down, see?
I guess you're right. Alright, I guess I'll allow it today. Let's see. What else can we do to calm them down?
We can, play some music.
That sounds fine. Let's put on some relaxing music. That should help. Much better.
Tsukuyomi?
What is it, Dark Shadow?
They're falling asleep.
Alright then. Should we get them back to their dorm room then?
No way. Let's keep them here for the night.
Dark Shadow, that's out of the question. But they do look really peaceful, sleeping there. Alright, I guess I can spend the night.
Hey, slumber party!
Dark Shadow, you betray me sometimes. Fine. They can sleep in the bed. I'll sleep on the floor.
Alright then, I'll sleep with them then.
Dark Shadow, you would do no such...
Good night.
Dark Shadow...